again we just lost our drone. I don't know where it is. At last we have found the drone, I guess. Wow.
फिर आर्मी हमारे काम आई है.
Yeah.
A big hand to Dr. Sir. Big hand to Dr. Sir. Yay!
Good morning.
Good morning.
Everybody is getting ready, and this is again a very, very beautiful morning. This is day 5 for extremes and day 3 for the racers. So today is the third day of racing, and we are going from Raga to Daporijo. And
remember when you said we'd stay together now until forever.
Raga seems really beautiful town here, and though it has very less population. Good morning from ITVP. Yeah, ITVP का very good morning है. और उसके साथ मैं आपको बता दूं कि ये जो बस है पीछे लगी हुई, उस बस में भी लगेज है. उस स्मॉल पिकअप में लगेज है जिसमें हमारा लगेज है. और ये भी ट्रक जो दिख रहे हैं इसमें भी लगेज है. और जो एक्स्ट्रा स्टफ़ होता है जैसे कि एक्स्ट्रा स्लीपिंग बैग्स हैं, रैक्स हैं, वो सारे इसमें रखे हुए हैं. एवरीबडी इज़ एब्सोल्युटली रेडी एज वी कुड सी हियर. नाउ सारा नाश्ता ख़त्म हो चुका है. ओके, एंड देखिए किस तरीके से ब्रेड को चुना जा रहा है. किसी में एक पड़ा हुआ है, किसी में इसमें से एक पड़ा हुआ है, इसमें कुछ है टुकड़ा. हाँ, इसमें से भी एक टुकड़ा है, ऐसा कुछ है. अच्छा, नथिंग शुड बी वेस्टेड. एक चीज़ ध्यान रखना, इस तरीके के ग्रुप में अगर आप आ रहे हैं तो यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड कि आपको सबसे पहले आना है, क्योंकि लास्ट में आएंगे तो अकेले कुछ नहीं बचने वाला है.
Bib number 14. Yes, sir. 15. Sir. 16. Yes. 17. Yes.
Forever, just us. Said we wouldn't be.
She's Raya Kam, and you can see how beautiful she is. Of course. Thank you. Religious activities are same, just like a Patani tribes, just that they don't have tattoo and piercing done.
Said we wouldn't be like all the others, fight and hurt each other. Not us, not us. But we let each other down.
Okay, so there's one cyclist who needs painkiller. That's our Chotu.
कहाँ पे?
तो इसका नाखून उखड़ गया है और अभी से पेन किलर की ज़रूरत है. ओके, बाय बाय.
All of the others, just us. Said we wouldn't let things
Yapunam!
come between us. Let love rule, not be us, not us, not us.
The climate is now rough and it's foggy, enough foggy. Can't see anything right
Let each other
now.
down, down, down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down.
They're trying to catch Andy and Martin, both. They both are brothers. Okay, the siblings are way ahead of all the cyclists, and we are driving from past half an hour where we left the third cyclist, but yet to catch them. Even the second brake station is gone, and hopefully we'll be catching them now.
Oh, we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down.
Yeah, so we caught both Marty and Andrews, but to our surprise, our Chintu was also there, and उसका नाम क्या है? Menzo. Okay, so Menzo was also coping up. That was Andreas, and Andreas is standing at first right now.
all of the others. Just us. Said we wouldn't let things come between us. Let love rule, not be us, not us, not us. But we let each other down, 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 down.
Okay, so we have here Andreas who has knocked out. That's okay. Yeah. Say kudos to Macho because he was really giving them a tough fight though. But Andreas was too good. Okay guys, they are Indo-Bhutan team and they are riding in team. And that's the best part of this race. That they are siblings over here. So that's Sarah, and in women's lead she is first. Okay, I had left my potato here. गर्मा गर्म है, कुछ गर्मा गर्म खाएंगे. Okay, so that's our bus. Just carrying those cyclists which are not in the race anymore.
It was muddy.
So we have the second racer here, Heidi.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh my god,
Oh, you're cool. Very nice. Very beautiful.
I must be really dirty. I have to be.
No, the others were more dirty than you. Don't worry. So in women's category, Heidi has come second. They are 10 times better than the cycles that Indians have. So I particularly feel that government should really take initiative to have more and more sponsors to get them best cycles possible, because technically they lay back. Otherwise, I guess they can give a tough competition to the foreign cyclists, because I myself saw that how Mancho was trying too hard, wherein he was at the same pace with Andrew and Martin. Has come third in women's race, and okay, we just saw her that she was in the second, but somehow laid back. Anyways, it is a tough fight. So now we are heading towards our resort here in Daporijo, and Daporijo is 88 kilometers from Raga, and this has been a really long ride, just like Itanagar to Zero.
Down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down. Oh, we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down.
See that Daporijo's pretty beautiful females in their outfits, okay, cultural outfits. These are the traditional dresses that they wear in their culture. This is called Tasing, and this is
Tamin.
Tamin. This is Tasing, and this is Taming, and this is
Yeah, malado ni polo.
They come after the race. This is what is the process. They need to wash their cycle. So the process is going on, and then they will wash themselves. As you could see, they are all dirty. There is another process, and that is looking at their cycle. Are they fine, fit enough so that they can go for the race tomorrow? अभी तक में पता चल गया होगा आपको कि ये कोई आसान सा खेल नहीं है. ये एडवेंचर, फुल ऑन एडवेंचर है, जिसमें सिर्फ साइकिल चला के मज़ा नहीं लेना है कि हाँ हम लोग जो है बहुत एडवेंचरस रूट पर जो है साइकिल चला कर के आए हैं. लेकिन इसमें मज़ेदार बात ये है कि आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स, यस, जैसे मूवीज़ में होता है वैसे ये सारे आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स हैं. दोषदाशी, ये दोषदाशी जो हैं वो यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है, मेल बॉटम टूरिस्ट लॉज, ये उसके मालिक हैं. और वो बता रहे हैं कि यहाँ पर जो लोकल्स हैं वो ऑरेंज की खेती ज़्यादा करते हैं. सबसे ज़्यादा ऑरेंज यहाँ पर मिलता है.
खास करके दिसंबर और जनवरी इतना मीठा होगा, इतना बढ़िया होगा, आप एक पीस खाने से और छोड़ ही नहीं सकते और खाने का मन करते रहेगा.
एक पीस खाएंगे तो मन करेगा. Okay friends, so this is very interesting about Daporijo, and that is there is a river which flows from China and that meets in India, and that river is basically Subansari, okay, and Subansari is also known as Scenic,
Right.
in Daporijo. and there is a Shagin. Okay, so Shagin and Shinix confluence meets here, as you could see. और एक चैलेंज मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि इस रिजॉर्ट में हम लोगों का खाना कैसे प्रिपेयर हो रहा है और गर्म पानी कैसे आ रहा है.
आज तो बुरी हालत हो गया मेरा,
क्यों?
पूरा किचड़ में.
वाह वाह. तो यही खूबसूरती है. सिर्फ हमारे साथ वो डांस नहीं कर रहे थे, लेकिन वो साथ ही साथ हमारे खाने का पूरा प्रोग्राम बना रहे थे.
Each other down, 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 down.
Token of love which Andreas is collecting for his standing first in the race for today from Raga to Dapurijo. Wow, that's cool. That's cool. I'm so glad to share it with you. I'm so happy that the locals out here are so warm and so welcoming, and I am glad that I'm sharing it on YouTube. So I hope this all guys will see it, and you all guys will visit Dapurijo. It's a beautiful town.